Aha! No longer neglecting you.
YouTube fans.
Right. Let's see if we can fix your light.
SunLight. Supposedly that's supposed to help with seasonal depression because it replicates the sun, but I don't know.
Right.
I don't know if anything could really take the place of the actual sun.
Not that I've really experienced. There's some special energy that comes from that I just don't think you can get out of a light.
Yeah. Especially like a cheap $20.
Right. So, see here we have a broken wire. So I'm going to cut the insulation away from there without cutting myself, hopefully. First the big outer casing. Come here. Without cutting the other wire too, because that would be a bummer. Super cheap ones are really not so good. That's a tool. This one probably is $20 or $30.
Okay.
And that's something you want to spend if you're actually going to do good electrical work. These I got from my grandfather though. So that's kind of cool too. Definitely been used a bit. Yes. I have repaired many rusty tools, but this kind of nice electrical tools and stuff he kept in a good toolbox so it wouldn't get rusty. That's not good for your knife edge. Don't do that. I'm good at sharpening, and why is because I keep doing silly things with it. Actually, that might be easier anyhow. And those don't go small enough to strip that little wire. And having somebody that can kind of move around like really makes it more interesting anyhow. We're about to do some soldering. But first, it's best to put some shrink wrap on there if you're going to use shrink wrap, but I don't have any handy, so we're not going to do that. Twisted each individual wire together, trying to get them straightened out a bit. Oh, and not do that. So now we try again. These wires are pretty fine, so I may just stick them together and then solder them straight together instead of twisting them. Solder, and that soldering iron's nice and hot. So we're gonna get the wires hot and put a dab of this on there. And those These are stuck together. And we do the black wires separate. Done. Now you just gotta tape them separate so they don't touch, because it'll go boom. Let me get a piece of tape and we will tape those separate and test it.
Who knows what somebody
Okay. That was fun.
do? Hey, that's not bad. We'll be able to use that for something, like in a tight spot where we're just not getting good light.
Right.
Or if you just want to be creepy face guy. Hey, welcome to the forge.